Welcome to this class where I'm going to explain you everything that you can find on this course and how it's going to help you improve in your relationships. As you know, there are many masters in the world of seduction. Some of them are dedicated to write books, and some others focus on social networks offering attractive content, but mostly of them have poor quality. So to eliminate the dependence that the counseling has to be face-to-face, but still offering an educational content, I come to create this new online counseling system. And this system goes like this. First, I give you an introduction of theoretical concepts so you can understand the basis of seduction. What to say and what not to say, our body language, our image and self-concept, and those elements that trigger their attraction toward us. So I introduce all the concepts so you will see later how I apply them on my interactions. And in the second step, we move into the action, and I show you each of my videos of interactions. As the video plays, I take small breaks to explain how I have applied the concepts that I explained before, so that you can understand it and apply it in your own interactions, in your own day-to-day. That's the real important thing. When I can make her feel comfortable with me, give me her phone, kiss me, or want to meet me another day, I'll explain how I did it so you can do it too. So what you can find on my videos, I mainly dedicate myself to interactions in the daytime, which is the day game style. I do them everywhere, coffee shops, supermarket, on the beach, or in the street itself. And this is the main theme of my course, but by popular demand of my students, I have also integrated a couple of classes on how to make a threesome with two girls, where I explain the tricks that I've been learning about it, and you will be able to see some of my own experiences and learn from that. Therefore, this is not a course about how to make your girlfriend back, okay? Although, ironically, you could apply everything that I teach without focusing on your ex-girlfriend, and in the end it would be she who would want to come back with you. But yeah, what I explain here is focused on how to meet new girls to have sex, be fuck buddies from them, and then decide if you want to make her your girlfriend, stay as friends, or as a fuck friend as much time as you decide. So this is what you will find: great examples on how to apply seduction successfully and the right guidance so that you can apply it too in your own real life.